And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a horizontal bar graph. We can once more use extensions, nice charts for that. Under charts, I've selected the bar chart and I'll check the preview. So we've got a live preview here. And we can simply check the box for draw horizontally. And we've got what we wanted. We can adjust the size of the bars, so the length and the width. Pi radius doesn't do anything here. The bar offset can be used to adjust the distance between the bars. Stroke width doesn't do anything. In this case, the offset between chart and labels is the distance between the label and the bar. And there's no chart title, so that doesn't do anything here as well. We can play around with the default colors. SAP is the one I'm using. We can invert that or add a drop shadow. On the values, you can see I've got the box checked, which gives us these numbers. If I uncheck it, the numbers are gone. The labels, we can play around with the font size or choose a different font. You can also adjust the font color with the hex code. And the data, I've just used the defaults here. If you want to add something, you just have to add a comma, then the name for your specific parameter. So let me add strawberries, and I make it, let's say 15. Then I'll check the live preview again, and there we've got our new bar. But the formatting is also explained above it. You could also import your data via a CSV file. Just apply it, but let me show you something different. You can also uncheck the box and have a regular bar chart, then select it all, click on it again with the cursor tool and then rotate it, holding Control to create the same effect. So all of these elements, the type, the drop shadow and the bars themselves, are treated as regular objects that you can adjust, transform and manipulate. And this is how you can create this horizontal bar chart in Inkscape. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.